Hello guys, in third year polytechnic you have one subject that is called as solid modeling. It's a very interesting subject. You have to study this subject in software. There are so many types of softwares like CATIA, COE, Unigraphics. Slightly names are changing now. We have in this lab we have the fourth version, creo parametric 4. So in this practical, we have to draw six parts of bench-wise. So one by one, we are going to see one by one how to draw, and afterwards, in fourth practical, you have to do the assembly of those parts. This is the license version we have in MGIMS Polytechnic Aurangabad. When you open the software, the window look like this. We have to go in new. We have to select the part. Automatically it takes part, and we have to give name. The first part of bench-wise is jaw screw. Jaw screw. So we have to type the name here, then click OK. Now you can see here three planes because we are in 3D environment. This is called as solid modeling. So we have three planes, right, top, and front in this software. So today we are going to draw this jaw screw, and the dimensions have given in manual. So every third year students have manual. Those who don't have, they may follow the procedure here. First we are going to make a jaw screw, so we have to go in extrude, then select a plane. We have to select the right plane here because the orientation is in right, and then sketch view. Now you can see here various 2D commands: line, rectangle, circle. So we're going to use circle command. Very simple. Click on the origin, then click outside. Randomly draw one circle, then press escape button here on keyboard. Then you may edit this dimension, and they have given the diameter of this first circle is 18. Press enter, then click OK here. So we'll come out of the 2D, and it is asking the extrusion dimension here. You can see here this extrusion dimension they have given is 24. Click OK, then click OK. Then you can click here refit. So you can see here this is the first dimension they have given, first extrusion. Then again on this face they have given another extrusion. Go in extrude, click this face now, and click sketch view. Now again draw one circle having the diameter of 12 they have given. Then press enter, then come outside, then rotate the mouse button. So you can see here they have given the extrusion dimension. You may change it from here also. Extrusion dimension is 10. Then click OK. Then press OK to come outside of that extrude command. You can see here. Then again they have given the manual of having a circle diameter 16 on this face. Again go in circle, draw a circle, then the diameter is given 16. Press enter and come outside again, same procedure. Now they have given extrusion dimension as here 82. Then you may click here refit and OK. Again you can see here the tree is generating in the left side, extrude 1, 2, 3, and the fourth extrusion they have also given. Again go in extrude, select this face and select sketch view, then draw again circle of having diameter, will tell you how much, it is 12. 1, 2, click OK, then again click OK here and refit it. And the extrusion dimension you may have to change from here. Now we have given the extrusion dimension is 11. Like this, you can see here, so it's 11. Then again you have to draw another circle on this face. Go in extrude, select that face, sketch view, circle, another circle having diameter 8. Press enter, then OK. Then you have to put extrusion dimension, that is 5. You can see here 5. Again select the last face, go in circle, again draw a circle here, a bigger circle here having diameter, double click it, diameter is given 12, press OK, move the mouse, and you can see here they have given extrusion is 6. They're almost done. I think this is the part, jaw screw, you can see here. So we have 6 extrude in this, all are circles, and we have used only one command, that is so called extrude. Extrusion command is very famous and very important in any 3D softwares. Now at the end they have drilled one hole here, so we have to use hole command here. Go in hole command, select the face of the jaw screw, then we have to give the location. It is in the center. The total extrusion is 24. We have to take this green patch and keep on that plane. Then it is 24, so half is the 12, and this another patch we have to mount on the plane. And now you can see here it is asking some angle. As this is the circular part, we can keep anything from 0 to 360, no problem. I will keep 0. And we have to, very important dimension is diameter. They have given the diameter is of that hole is 6. Okay, and the hole is throughout. So this is the depth of the hole. You can see here. You can keep the lesser depth, but the hole is throughout, so keep it outside this white patch. You can see the hole here. Then click OK. So now you can see this is the complete first part, that is called as jaw screw. Save, desktop, new folder. Okay, we are done with the first part. We have to go for second part, so I will close this. To the second part, that is called as base plate. It is very simple part. Go in new, again write the name here, that is called as base plate. Don't use any special character and space in the name, because it is the need of the software. And now you can see again we have entered in the 3D environment. Here you can see they have given one rectangular base plate. If you refer the manual of third year mechanical polytechnic students, here they have given one rectangular plate. So I will take the top plane here and go in extrude, select sketch view. Now we have to draw one rectangle here. I will take the center rectangle, and you have to draw a rectangle like this. They have given the dimension of that rectangle. This is the vertical dimension, they have given 20 in the manual, and the horizontal dimension is 144. You can see that 20 by 144, and then just click OK. You can come out of the extrude like sketcher command. Now we have entered in this extrude command here. You can see here. After sketch, will come into the extrude command. They have given the extrusion dimension as 6 mm only. Just enter the 6 and click OK. After that, this is the simple part. After that, there are two holes here. Those holes are countersink holes. So we'll see how it is. Going hole, first take the standard orientation. On the right side, from right side 36 mm away, that hole is. So click on the face. You can see here. Then first give the location of that hole from this edge. It is 36 and at the center from that edge. You can see here that you take it 10 because this is 20. So that it will come at the center when you enter the 10 mm dimension. Now you can see here there are so many parts of the hole, types of the holes. Here you can see another type of the hole. When you click here, two hole comes here. One is countersink, other is counter bore. You have to use countersink. Click here, then go in shape. Click here, go in shape. You can see here they're asking some parameters here. In manual they have given these all parameters. This is as 4, this as 6.5 constant diameter. Then they have given this angle as 90 degree. Then press enter. You can see here the hole is different than the previous. This is the countersink. Then the same hole is here at the left side but 38 mm away. Go in again hole, select the face. These green patches are we have to use for location. See here, put on the edge. This is 38 and this is 10. Again click here, go in countersink, shape 4, 6.5 and 90. Then click OK. Okay, we are done with the second part. Very simple. Base plate. Save it. File. Save. Base plate. Desktop. New folder. Save. And the third part of this bench voice assembly is screw bar. Go in new. Type the name here. Screw bar. Then press OK. Here in manual they have given the dimensions. We are going to take now front view, go in extrude, again we are going to take the right view because orientation is in right. Now we are going to draw one circle here for extrusion. And that circle diameter they have given 4 and click OK. And we go for standard orientation here. You can see the extrusion dimension here they have given 10. Then OK. So this is the first part of that screw bar. Then you have to go for again extrude, select here, sketch view, then go for circle here. And diameter is little more now, 6. Then click OK. Go in standard orientation. Then you have to give the extrusion dimension, that is 104. Then click OK. Okay, you can see here on the right side also this small part we have. Now we can do again, we can go for the same procedure, drawing circle on this face and extrusion, or you may go for the mirror option here. For that you have to create one plane here. Go for new plane, select this plane, and the total dimension is 24. we have to take half of that, 124 by 2. Here you can see a plane. Now if I want to use the mirror, first select this part, extrude 1, then mirror command will be highlighted here, you can see here, and click the mirror, then select just this plane and click OK. You can see at the right side also the same part we have. This is also a simple part, screw bar, the third part of the bench-wise assembly as per the manual. Then go again, file, save it, desktop, new folder. Okay. Come again for fourth part of the bench-wise assembly is sliding jaw stop according to the manual. Click on new, again part, give the name sliding jaw stop. This is another part, simple part. Press enter. You can see here again we have entered in the 3D environment. Till now we are only using extrude command because that is the need now. Till now, go in extrude command again, select the top plane here, then sketch view. Here we have to go for one rectangle, again center rectangle according to the manual. Press escape after creating rectangle. Now they have given dimension 32 by 32. Actually it is a square, 32 by 32. Then click OK to come outside of the sketch. Now we have to give the extrusion dimension, that is we have given in the manual 7. Click 7 and press OK. Then press OK. You can see here this is the square block here, and they have drilled 2 holes, again countersink holes on the top face of this object. Same procedure, go in hole, click on the face here, then we have to give the location from this side, that is actually the total width is 32, you have to take 16 to bring it in center, and from this side we have to take, as per the manual, 8 mm here. Now we have to go again in the countersink shape here, same 4, 6.5, and angle is 90 degree. Then click OK. So here from this side also it is 8 mm, so we can go for mirror here. As I took the center rectangle, so planes are available at the center. So this is the benefit of taking center rectangle. So now what I will do now, click on hole, go in mirror, click the center plane and click OK. So you can get the another countersink on the left side. So this is the fourth part, this is the complete part now. Fourth part, that is sliding jaw stop. Okay, again go in file, save it in a folder, then close. Again we are going to draw the fifth part of bench voice here. Go in new, the fifth part is voice body according to the manual. Click, then press enter. Here we are going to take another front plane and extrude command. Go in sketch view. The sketch view is very important to be in a single plane. Now we are in top plane, sketch view, and we have to draw the profile here in the first quadrant. I'm going to draw with the help of line. Take the line, draw a straight line, then vertical line here, then press escape button. This length they have given is 144 in the manual, and this vertical height they have given 16. Dimension line always should occur at the outside of the profile. Then they have shown another line at the left side and vertical line. This height they have given 118, and this vertical height they have given 36. This is the profile in the manual. Then there is a horizontal line here. The length of this horizontal line is 10, and from this side we have to draw another line. And the angle they have given is 135, and connect it. Close that profile. It should fill by color like this, pink color. Then only this profile is closed and it is eligible to extrude. Otherwise, if it is not filled, then the profile will be open, and open profile will not be extruded. So it should be always filled by a color. Then click OK, and we have to put extrusion dimension that they have given 64. Okay. Now on that face, this side we have another profile. So go in extrusion again, select this face and do sketch view. From this bottom 16, at the height of 16, there is already a line here. We have to, if we want to draw a 2D profile on 3D, use this project command. Here the blinking line, we need this line. Click on that line and close this. So we have projected this line from bottom. It is available in the manual. They have given one line is there from the height at 16 mm from the bottom. So this is 16 mm. From here you have to draw the vertical line and horizontal line like this. This is 5.55 and this is 6. Now what I will do, I will draw one center line here. And I will go for again mirror. Press this line, control, press this line and go for mirror, 2D mirror, and select center line. You can see in this side also I mirrored. Now there is a circle here actually on the center line of having diameter 32. Okay, then there is a tangent line here from here to here. You can see here tangent symbol. Then only press OK, click here. Then you may go again mirror this line and select the center line, so it will come on the right side, and that is given in the manual. And we don't want this, so go for delete segment and delete this, delete this, delete this and delete this. Then come out of this command by pressing escape command, escape button. You can see here this is closed profile now as color is filled. Then press OK. Now we want to extrude this in the reverse direction, so you can flip this direction from here and from here also. And this extrusion dimension is 22 as per given in the manual. That extrusion dimension is 22. Then press OK. Again go in extrude command. We have to remove material now. Till now we are adding the material. So in extrude there is another command, sub command, that is remove material. Here we have to draw a profile as per given in the manual. Go in project command, project this line, then close it and take a center line here, somewhere it is here. Now take one line here like this you have to give dimension. This is, they have given 16, and this is 8. Go for another line. This is also 8, 8, 8. You can see here constraint equal. It means this is 8 and this is 8, and that is what we want here. Now go for again line here, connect this. Now we are done with 3 lines. 1, 2, 3, 4 lines. Okay. Then unwanted I will delete. This I don't want. Delete segment. This I don't want. And this side also I don't want. And now again I'm going to use, as I have center line, I will go for the mirror command again here. It is not blinked. 2D mirror. Click this line, control, press control and click this line, click this line, click and click. Now go in mirror and click the center line. So you can see here this profile, and it is closed as color is filled. Then click OK to go in extrude command. Now you can see here yellow patch. Take it to the reverse direction, and I want to remove this material. As I have this remove material command is pressed, you can see I am removing the material, and it is throughout. So go in here. You can see here one option is there. Remove material extruded up to the next surface. Whatever the next surfaces are there, or extrude to intersect with all surfaces. So I want to remove material through all surfaces. Click on this button. You can see, as in manual it is the need, so I am taking that third option. You can see here the complete removal of the profile. This was expected. And again a hole is here. There is a hole here. Go in hole command, or you may go again with the help of extrude command. You can remove the material. So we have used many times hole here, or you may go from extrude, or you may go from hole. So we'll use hole command because this is a proper way. Click here. Now from this plane it is 32 because the width is 64. 32, and from bottom they have given 36. The full diameter they have given 16, and the depth is 22. You can see here hole like this. And click OK. We'll go for standard orientation. It should look like this. Plane selection is important here. You can see here the complete park, and we have to do some editing here. They have given some round command, a roundness here of having radius 3. Go in round command, click here, give the radius here 3. Similarly on this side, then click OK. So that is very simple command. You can repeat it and go in standard orientation. You can see this is the part. Afterwards, there are again at the bottom 4 holes are there, partial holes, not throughout holes. So go in hole here again, click here on the surface. The diameter is 5, and the location from this side we have given 36, so 38, and from this side this is 10. This is 10, and the depth they have given is 12. You can see here.
This is not throughout hole. You can't see at upper surface, but at the bottom surface it is a hole. Then go in pattern command. So we are not going to draw or use again hole command for 4 times. We just use pattern command, click on hole, go in pattern, take the direction, select first direction here on this side, flip the direction. They have given this dimension as 70, and take the second direction, this edge, and the distance is 40. You can see here. Wait, this is not 10, I think. Actually, I entered the wrong dimension here. You may edit, go in pattern, edit, take the second direction, that is 44. They have given 44. I can see here. Now it is right. 4 holes are there at the bottom, but not at the top. They are partial holes, not throughout. So we are done with, you can see here the tree, wise body tree, extrude 1, extrude 2, extrude 3, then hole, then round, and pattern. In that pattern there are 4 holes. You can see here, hole 1, hole 2, hole 3, and hole 4. And afterwards, okay, we are done with the next part, that is wise body, and we have to go in again, save, desktop, new folder. Okay. Now we are going to look at the last part, that is called as wise jaw of the bench wise assembly. We have to write here the name wise jaw without giving any special character, and click OK here. Again we have entered in the 3D environment here, and I have to take now front view for the extrusion. Go in extrude. We have to draw one profile here. Go in sketch view. Okay, so I will draw the complete profile here. As you know how to use the line command. By using line command, I'm going to draw the profile here, and finally I will show you how it looks. So because of time, because it's taking more time, so we'll show you directly the profile. As you can see here, the 2D profile I have drawn here. This length is 24.24, this is 15.50, 24.24. This height is 10 and this is 36. The total length is 64 here, they have given in the manual. So as color is filled, so you can go for the extrusion. The extrusion dimension they have given, the manual is 10 mm. Then click OK. So we are done with the first part of this voice jaw. On this profile they have drawn another profile, so go in again extrusion, select this face and click OK here, then sketch view, and from here the profile starts. So from this 3D we can get the 2D profile by using this project command. Select here, select here, select here, select here, and select here, then close this. So we got 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 lines with the help of project command only. Then we have to draw 2 vertical lines, this side and that side, of having height 5 mm, 5.99. Then again at this side go for same line. When it comes to the equal, then it means this line and this line is equal. Then afterwards you have to draw a circle here, somewhere here. And the diameter of that circle they have given 32, and the vertical distance they have given 20. And this distance it is asking, I don't want this. Take this dimension, click here and click center button of mouse. And this should be 32. So I'm at the center. Now go in line command, click here, take the tangent line then click here, again line, take tangent line, then remove this unwanted by delete segment. I can see here again color is filled. You can see the profile here. Then click OK. Go for extrusion again. Extrusion is given 22. Click here 22. Then click OK. This is what we can say. We are making the part wise jaw. Here there is a hole. Now I will use extrude command here. Go in sketch view. Now use again project command here. Close. Take the concentric circle here. So I will get the center of the circle. Then delete segment. Delete this and edit this as the diameter is given 12. You can see here 12. Click OK. Then go reversely up to the 24. The depth is 24. You can see the hollow. This was expected, and then there is a counter bore hole here. So we are going to draw that. Now we have to draw a counter bore hole. Go in hole, select this face, and we have to take some parameters here from the hole. Take counter bore here and go in shape. Before that, we have to give the location of this hole with the help of these two green patches. This is 22 given in manual, and this we have to check with this plane. As this is cylindrical face, we have to give angle that is 0. And now we have to change this all parameters with the help of it depends on the counter bore parameter shape. Going shape, we have given this diameter 3.50. Then this they have given 4. This value they have given 8.25, and this value they have given 8.40. And then click OK. So you can see here the counter bore. They have given dimensions. From bottom it is 8. This total width from this face, this total is 15.5. So we have to take 15.5 divided by 2. So it will come to the center. Then this diameter is given 6 and the depth is given 16. Then click OK. Then again go in hole. There is another hole here. Same way, from this face is 15.5 divided by 2. Then enter. Then from here it is given in the manual 8, and the diameter is 6, depth is 16. Then OK. So we are done with 2 holes, back side, front side, 1 simple hole, the top side counter bore, and this is the complete part that is called as wise jaw. So you can see here the standard orientation of this object. It looks like this. It is very important part of this bench wise assembly. And afterwards you have to go for save option, desktop, new folder, and save.